Good posture is the proper alignment of the body parts, whether in standing, walking, sitting, or running. Basic position where most exercise begin. Feet together or feet parallel. The feet are about 1 inch apart, toes pointing forward, and arms at the side. Stride position. The feet apart about 12 inches wide. The stride may be made wider than 12 inches. The weight of the body is on both feet and the trunk is at the center. Arms at side. Lunge position. Bend one knee, the other leg straight, weight on both feet, hands on hips. Half knee bend. Feet together, bend knees about 45 degrees angle, feet flat on floor, body erect, hands on hips. Full knees bend or squat position. The knees are fully bent, sit on the heels of the feet. The weight of the body is on the balls of the feet. Sitting position. Long sitting position. Sitting with legs extended forward, toes pointed, trunk erect, and hands on hips. Hook sitting position. Sit on buttocks, bend knees close to the body, trunk erect, hands on shin of the legs. Long sitting rest position. Legs and toes are extended forward. Hands at the rear on the floor, elbow and bow straight. Tuck sitting position. Sitting on buttocks, bend knees close to body, round back so that the forehead and the knees are in contact. Hold shin of legs. Stride sitting position. Sitting on buttocks, spread legs apart, trunk erect, hands on thigh. Side sitting position. Sitting on buttocks, bend right or left leg in front, other leg extended sideward, hands on knees. Hurdle sitting position. Sitting on buttocks, bend right leg at the back about 90-degree angle to other leg extended diagonally forward. Heel sit. From kneeling position, sit on the heels of the feet, toes pointed, hand on hips. Cross sitting. Frog sitting or tailor sitting. Kneeling position. Kneeling position. Kneel on both knees, knees close together, body erect, hands on hips. Stride kneeling position. Kneeling on both knees with knees apart. Half kneeling position, right or left. Kneeling on right, left, and half. Kneeling position in front. Hands on hips. Kneeling position, one leg. Extended sideward, kneeling on one leg, the other extended sideward, forward or backward. Lying position. Back or supine lying position. Lying on the back, the body is well extended, arms overhead, toes pointed. Front or prone lying position. Body is well extended and in front of the body in contact with the floor. Toes pointed, arms are forward. Side lying position. With the body well extended, the side of the body is in contact with the floor. One hand on the floor overhead and other hand bent close to chest, palms of the floor, toes pointed. Hook lying position. In a back lying position, bend knees with the feet close to buttocks, feet flat on the floor, arms overhead. Tuck lying position. Lying on the back, pull the knees close to the forehead, hold shin of the leg. Arm support position. Supine or back arm support. From a long lying position, lift the body with straight arm support. Body, legs, and toes will extended in one straight line. Prone or front arm support. From a front lying position, lift the body to front arm support. Body, legs, and toes will extended and in one straight line. Side arm support. The body is supported with right or left arm. The body is well extended. Four base positions. Dog stand position. From a kneeling position, place the hands on the floor, elbows straight, toes pointed, the knees and the hand are the best support. Bridge stand position. From a hook sitting, lift the trunk, legs and arms in the right angle with the trunk. Hand positions. Hands on waist. Place hands on waist, finger pointed from thumbs pointing backward. Hands on chest. Palm facing down, thumbs touching the chest, elbows in the line with the shoulders. Hands on shoulder. Bend arm from the elbow, fingertips touching the shoulders, elbow in the line with the shoulders, rib cage lifted. Hands on neck. Bend arm from the elbow. Place hand behind the neck, fingertips meeting each other, elbows in the line with the shoulders. Hands on hips. Place hands on hips, thumbs pointing back and fingers pointing front. Arms positions. Arms forward. Raise arms forward with palms facing each other, hands in the line with the shoulders, elbows slightly extended. Arms sideward. Raise arms sideward, palms facing down, fingertips in line with the shoulder. Arms upward. Raise arm upward, palm facing each other, elbows touching the earth, the whole arms in the line with the body. Arms oblique position. Arms in T positions.